Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. Honor your mother, honor your father, and honor your teacher or mentor. After our parents, the one who deserves the highest respect in our life is our mentor or teacher. It does not matter what line of work we are in or what stage of career we are in, how much successful we are, or how many failures we have seen. We all need someone called mentor to guide us ahead in our journey. Someone who understands our potential and shake us into realizing it. Let me share a small story to realize the vital role of mentor in our life. There was a poor man. This man was so poor he could not even fulfill his daily needs. He had a family of 3 members: his mother, who was blind, wife, who was childless, and himself. And he was fed up of his financial problems. And finally, he decided to give up his life. He was about to commit suicide, but a thought came to his mind to meet his old mentor, whom he used to admire and follow a lot. He went to his mentor and discussed all his problems. His mentor advised him to worship God for 40 days with complete devotion. Poor man heeds the advice of the mentor and started worshipping God for 40 days with complete devotion and dedication. Finally, God, impressed by the worship of the poor man, and appeared in front of him. God knows that human beings are greedy creatures, so he put forth a condition that only one wish will be fulfilled. Then the poor man took one day time to think and come back to him. After that, he went home and he started thinking what to ask, because he had many problems to resolve. If he asked his mother's eyesight, his wife will remain childless. If he asks for a child, how can he take care of the entire family in such a poor economic condition? Finally, he did not get any solution and he decided to pay a visit to his mentor again. He went to his mentor and explained entire story. Then his mentor gave him a solution that solved almost all his problems, and he was thankful to his mentor. And next day morning again he returned back to the same place and God reappeared again. Then the poor man said, "Oh God, my wish is I want my mother to see my son playing in a golden cradle." By listening to poor man's wish, God smiled at him and granted him the wish. After that, the poor man went to his house and started living happily with his family thereafter. This story tells about the importance of mentor in our life. The concept of mentoring is as old as human race. When we go back to our Indian history, we can see great mentors. Let us take the example of our ancient teacher, philosopher, scholar Pandit Chanakya. He was mentor to Chandragupta Maurya. He picked up a boy, he trained him, he mentored him, and he taught him all the arts and crafts of statehood. Then that boy became the Chandragupta Maurya. Pandit Chanakya was instrumental in the rise of Chandragupta Maurya as a great emperor. The co-founder of Apple, late Steve Jobs, was mentor to the co-founder of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. They often met to discuss the best business strategies and management practices for their company. When Steve passed away in the year 2011, Zuckerberg posted on his Facebook page that, "Steve, thank you for being my mentor and friend. I will miss you." When we talk about the former CEO of PepsiCo, Indira Nooyi, she says, "I am the product of great mentoring. If I hadn't had great mentors in my life, it was not possible for me to break the glass ceiling of business." Friends, always have good mentors, teachers in your life. Approach them, listen to them. They can change your life. Mentees get great benefits when mentors pass on their unique brand of wisdom, knowledge, and ideas to their mentees. I feel myself fortunate enough to have good teachers and mentors in my life. Today, I would like to thank all my teachers, mentors, and trainers who contributed for my learning. With this, I would like to close here with a note: a mentor's proper guidance at proper time can turn the life of his mentees in a proper direction. Thank you.